Hello, welcome to Tuesday's tip from the workshop. Last time we were talking about fitting the neck to the body, and I'm still doing that. So first time we talked about the side to side, which I call the yaw. This time we're going to talk about the pitch. Now we didn't actually talk about the yaw and the pitch, so I'm going to talk a minute about it. The side to side is important that the strings go down the middle of the top of the guitar, not only so that it lines over the sound holes, the strings aren't off center on the sound hole, but the function of the geometry of the bracing, the physics behind how everything works gets completely blown unless you have that string tension coming right down the center or where you want it to be. In my case, it's down the center at the top. I'm not using any kind of avant-garde bracing, so that's what I want. So you need to work towards getting the position of the string going through the top in the right place. The second thing is the pitch. I've seen many beautiful guitars, lots of beautiful appointments and fine woodworking, and the saddle is barely peeking out at the top of the bridge. That means that the angle of the neck to the body is too shallow. And the reverse of that is it's too high, where you have a tall saddle and very low action. There's a real sweet spot there that you're looking for when you are doing the pitch of the neck to the body. If it's too low, you're not getting enough torque and it's not driving the top the way it was designed to be driven. If it's too tall, not only are you weakening the saddle and the bridge itself, but you're putting too much torque on the top and it tends to lock it up. So there's a very close tolerant sweet spot. Now I tell you all that because what I like to do is not have a jig that's preset to my fingerboard thickness with a little block of wood down here showing where the pitch is going to be. Because every I make a lot of different fingerboards. This one, for instance, is a zirconia to match the back and sides. The different body shapes. The dome on my guitars are all pretty much the same, but because of the different body shapes, things can vary a little bit. And a little bit here, a little bit there, multiplies out to ending up with a real tall saddle or a real short saddle. So what I like to do is I make a fake bridge, and I stick it on there. Where is my fake bridge? Here it is. It's a little piece of plastic. I have a ruler glued to it, and there's a magnet inlaid in the top with a magnet on the bottom. So this is my fake bridge, right? It's the thickness that my bridges are. It's the standard thickness, and I put it where the intonation spot is in the center. I put the magnet on the inside, so I'm sticking the bridge on the top where I want it to be, the faux bridge, and then I can get here with my straight edge and check the pitch. So that way I'm not trying to make one jig to do everything. What I'm doing is I'm individually fitting each neck pitch and yaw to the specific scale length, fingerboard, body shape, dome at the top is all individually fitted. This is great because you can take this thing on and off and wave it around and the bridge stays in the same spot. Now just for your information, I like to have the pitch of the bridge, the height, slightly over the height of my bridge. The pitch itself, without the frets on the fingerboard, the pitch is about maybe a 1/16, maybe a little less than a 1/16 over the top of the bridge. See, I'm not moving the bridge by hitting that. So you could have it right at the top if you wanted to, but I like it just to be just slightly over pitched. It helps compensate for the natural settling of the new wood, etc. But again, this is not a guitar building series. I'm just showing you jigs. So here's my faux bridge. I hope it helps you out. Be happy building guitars.